Hello students, today we will be going over part 2 on 4.1 algebraic properties. This is on page 78 in your yellow packet. The instructions say, explain the error in the application of the property. Okay, I want you to also circle and explain the error. So here on number 15, there's the equation right there. Here's the properties or the reason. So here's the equation steps, and like the first one, there's the equation written out, that's given. And remember, all equations start out with the reason is it's given. The next thing they do is subtract 2 here and subtract 2 here, and that's because of subtraction property of equality. Now, when you're doing this equation, remember how you draw a line down the equal sign? Whatever you do on one side of the equation, you have to do on the other. So did you notice both subtract 2 is on the same side of the equation? That is the error. You need to have subtract 2 on both sides of the equation. So I'm going to write up here subtraction. This is explaining the error, so I would circle both here and here and write subtraction -2 twice on the same side, and you go ahead and write this out as well, the same side of the equation. And that's all you have to do. Explaining the error. That was the error. Okay, we can pause the video and have you try 16. I'm going to go ahead and keep going on 17. Okay, so you have the equation here that's given, and then they say this by reason of the subtraction property of equality. Wait, that wasn't right. That should be substitution. It's not property. So I just wrote it down wrong from the sheet. So substitution is what it said. So I look and see what's done here. Yes, that's given. Nothing's wrong with the first one. Now, was it substitution after that? Okay. So this looks exactly the same. Nothing was done over there. So I see here they combine like terms on the same side of the equation. Now, 5 minus 7x, does that equal -12x? In other words, is this a battle or a party? And remember, any subtraction one, we're going to change to addition. And when we change it to addition, we change the sign of one of the terms behind it. And the only term we change is that. So now, is it a battle or a party? That's a battle because they're opposite signs. So when they're opposite signs, you subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. That's not what they did here. So we can circle this part and this part, because we can say the substitution is incorrect. Or just wrong. They put 5x plus -7x equals -12x. And it should be, can you see that okay? -2x. Okay, see if you can get the rest on this. You can do it, students. You rock.